It's been 5 years since the darkest days of the pandemic, and the United States has stopped recommending COVID-19 vaccinations for pregnant women and healthy children. KOMU 8's Tamaya Bracey talked to health leaders to learn how this could affect people who still want to get the shot. Tamaya.
Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s announcement this week goes against what the CDC recommended in the past.
Hi, everybody. I'm Robert F. Kennedy Jr., your HHS Secretary.
Kennedy released a video on his X account saying he couldn't be more pleased the COVID vaccine for healthy children and healthy pregnant women has been removed from the CDC recommended immunization schedule. This could make it harder for parents to get their children vaccinated and pregnant women to get their shots because insurance companies could no longer pay for them. The medical director of infection prevention and control with the University of Kansas Health System says the new recommendation could affect insurance coverage.
We know that is a major issue. When vaccines are recommended, insurance companies typically pay for them. When they are not recommended, then insurance companies don't necessarily have to cover those vaccines.
Hawkinson says healthy children and pregnant women who don't get vaccinated could have a harder time fighting off the disease.
So obviously, if you have a group or groups who are no longer recommended to get the vaccine, that may affect their individual ability to fight off the disease or their ability to stay otherwise healthy or stay from going to the hospital.
Even with the new recommended changes, the Boone County Health Department still recommends those two groups to get the vaccine, especially pregnant women.
Certainly, especially when it comes to pregnant women, that can help bolster their baby's immunity when they're born. So we still do recommend it here until the CDC publishes regulatory guidelines saying otherwise.
Crone says in the summer there are still spikes in COVID due to more get-togethers. Typically in July, there's a notable increase. In the studio, Tamaya Bracey, KOMU 8 News.